This band has disturbed me for quite some time. I chase it and then it comes back. So is this a positive omen or a negative omen? I don't know. So who can tell me the name of this band which is insisting to knock the window? All right, it's a beautiful bird. I try to chase it, it comes back, just like the other one the other day. But this one is a small bird. All right, you see the way it's behaving, and it is not even fearing the camera. It is just I don't know what it is looking for, so it has gone. All right.